Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am C. Ashwini Sonone and our today's topic is a very important topic. How can a science student become a chartered accountant? So let's get started. Many questions flooded in after my video on how a science student becomes a chartered accountant. Now, the first important thing which you have to do is decide you want to change your course and become a chartered accountant. Your decision should be final and you need to accept your decision from your heart. From studies perspective, whether you can do it is the next question which comes in mind. So yes students, you can do it. You have to decide and make it a firm belief that you want to do it. This helps you to clear your mind and you have a clear vision that you want to do CA course. Many people are going to bring obstacles in your path, so deciding it in your head is the most important thing. Let's move forward. Now, the next important step is to understand what you have missed out. Accounts being the backbone of commerce and CA syllabus as a whole, it is important that you clear your basics in accounts. You can take the 11th and 12th commerce accounts books and try to understand it. If you feel that it is difficult to understand by yourself, you can either take pen drive lectures or join any classes near you. Please do not hesitate to clear your accounts basic. This is important because this will help you in your entire CA journey as well as in your commerce journey. So I am repeating it loud and clear. Take the time to clear your basics, clear your accounts basics for 11th and 12th. Do not hesitate. Do not think that I can't do this. I don't want to go back to 11th and 12th and clear the accounts. You have to take admission for your first year BCom, but you need to do your 11th and 12th accounts books clearly and move ahead with it. Other subjects in CA Foundation are economics and law. These subjects are easier to clear and understand as these are a theory subjects. If you still find it difficult to read from ICI module and understand, you can take pen drive lectures or classes for the same for your CA Foundation. The most difficult subject to clear in CA Foundation is mathematics. As you come from a science background, if you had opted for maths in your 11th and 12th, this will be the most easiest subject for you. But if you had not opted for maths, then you can take classes for the same. Remember, accounts is the backbone and you need to clear accounts as soon as possible. All the best for your CA journey. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep watching for more videos. Thank you.